The OnePlus 12 just got launched as the new flagship phone. I have already uploaded the unboxing and detailed review video about this phone, but in this video I am focusing specifically on the camera. Usually OnePlus 12's camera are decent, but this time the OnePlus 12's camera is exceptional, especially the periscope telephoto lens. Let's dive into the testing the camera. First of all, let's take a look at the camera's hardware. The OnePlus 12 has a triple camera setup. The main camera boasts a 50 megapixel Sony LYT808 sensor developed collaboratively by the OnePlus and Sony. It features a large 1x1.4 inch sensor size, a wide f1.6 aperture for better low light performance, and comes with the optical image stabilization support. Additionally, there is a 48 megapixel ultra wide sensor with f2.2 aperture and a wide 114-degree field of view. Final sensor that's garnered a lot of attention is the 64 megapixel super light and shadow periscope telephoto lens. It comes with 1/2 inch sensor size and f2.6 aperture, supports a 3x optical zoom and extend up to 120x digital zoom. This sensor also incorporates the floating prism image stabilization and benefit from the Hasselblad's color calibration for enhanced imaging. The OnePlus 12's telephoto camera is said to outperform the main camera this time. Let's start with the telephoto camera. Here we are capturing the distance breeding using the default 3x zoom. Now let's zoom in the further for 6x and take a photo of sunset scene. Let's compare the color consistency and exposure of all three photos. Notice the tone of the blue sky. The color consistency turns out really good in these three photos. You can view the photo from 2x zoom up to 6x zoom, where you will notice a bit more differences, especially in good lighting condition. Now let's capture the photo using both the ultra wide and the telephoto lens. Here you will find a good composition even when using the Pro mode. On the OnePlus 12, personally I don't usually lean towards the Pro mode, but this time in the OnePlus 12, the color tone in the Pro mode is quite nice, offering a slightly darker tone. In the professional mode, you get this nice textured feel in the light and shadow. You can check out the other camera samples too. But when it comes to the taking picture of the food in this mode, it's just average. This is the standard mode, and here you will get a better photo of the food. You can see more sample photos here. Even for nighttime shots, which turn out pretty good. You can also check out the comparison with other flagship phones using the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. The OnePlus 12 captures a really good detail in photos, making the content look rich and vibrant. Let me know in the comment how you found the camera of the OnePlus 12. Also, I will soon coming up with an unboxing and detailed review video of the OnePlus 12R, which is set to launch in the UK alongside the OnePlus 12 on the 23rd of January. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any question, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.